Second is FTP request. So over here I've did some configuration. So the first is to specify the server name or IP. So this is basically a test website for doing testing of FTP requests. I've hit this and it is asking for username and password. The username is demo and password is password. And click on sign in. So on this test website, there are a few files which can be downloaded for testing purpose. So I've entered over here readme.txt. So I will be downloading this readme.txt file. And I've also specified the location on my local machine where I want to save this readme.txt file. So this is the location of the local file directory. And as I want to download the readme.txt file, that is why I've selected get. If I was uploading the file to the server, then I would have selected put. And I also have to specify the login configuration. So I specified demo and the password. So if I hit this FTP request, what it will do is it will basically download, it will go to this server and it will basically download this readme.txt file from this server. So let me execute this FTP request and see if it is working or not. So the request got executed and we have got the response code as 200. This was the request. And let us see at this location if we have got this readme.txt file or not. So I will copy this location and go to my folders. So in Perfology, this is the file which name I have specified. So in this file, readme.txt is the content of the readme.txt file has been saved in this file Perfology because I have specified the name Perfology over here. So that is the reason it has saved the content of readme.txt file into this Perfology file. If you want to confirm or cross-check this, let me download this readme.txt. So it is downloaded. Let's open and see if the contents are same as we got. So you can see over here it says welcome and the same data was downloaded in Perfology file. So this was about FTP request, how to execute FTP request.